When the Amazon that you'd kill or die for is on her knees begging for life in the fucking floor, all you want to do is panic. All you want to do is scream. All you want to do is look like it ain't no thing. You cry and punch at the bags in your brain, but you sit with a smile and pretend to be sane. Your whole life has been guided to make that angel proud. And you're worried God's gonna take away her sound. You can see that fear, but all you do is cheer, hoping that guiding light could last more years. Your terror, your fear, you're so fucking selfish. Looking at the star, asking for your wish. It's not about you. It never was. Wake the fuck up. You're not strong. You're wrong for being worried about being paid, saved, laid, played the fame when you should be on your knees. Come on, let's pray.